Drop. Don't touch. Ew. You dirty bastard. Alright, drop. 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 Drop it. Drop it. Don't touch. Right. Go get it. It's there. Good boy. You getting tired now? You drop it one more? Drop. Drop it. Arnie, drop. Drop. Don't touch. Oh. Go get it. I think it's about time I find out what this car washing machine's all about. So here we are at the car washing machine. I always thought it was called a car wash, but this is a washing machine. Apparently they use a whole new technology to get your car extra clean. So let's find out. Just reading their sign here, they've got the basic wash, wash 1, 2, 3, and then super spin. Super spin, might go for that. Super spin must mean the speed of the heads, how fast they go. I'll take the super spin, please.
And the cash, Bill?
With cash, thank you.
Cash.
There you go. That's great, thanks very much. The super spin with 1,500 RPM spin. I'm assuming that's to do with these brushes. Yeah, this is quite pleasant. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, the super spin. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was mental.
Hiya, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a large cappuccino, please?
Large cappuccino, anything else for you?
That's all, thank you.
I'll see you at the window.
Alright, cheers. I love Costa Cappuccino. I don't love the Costa Cappuccinos, but I love Costa Cappuccinos. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thanks very much. See ya. So, pretty random day today. Got up, walked Arnie, went for a drive, and I found out what the car washing machine was all about. Yeah, only slightly concussed and 3 broken ribs and a dislocated shoulder, but I don't think I'll be going to that one again. Didn't even do a good job cleaning the car. So for lunch I had 2 triple cheeseburgers from the Saver menu and a wrap, you know, standard for McDonald's for myself, no bun. And then I had a Costa Cappuccino, which isn't that crazy on the carbs, so it's okay. No sugar. I love Costa Cappuccino, but I don't love the Costa Cappuccino. Anyway, this take's going so well, I'm not doing it again. I'm gonna have for my tea, I was gonna have French onion soup down at my folks' house, but I decided I was gonna stay up in my flat. I'm gonna have meatballs and cheese that you've seen me make before. And I'm also gonna have melted cheese in a cup. I might film a wee bit of that and put it up before I upload this to YouTube. So yeah, today was good fun. I'm not gonna hit the gym today. My joints are kind of sore. I think I've just been overdoing it recently. So I'm gonna give myself a day off today. I took it really easy. I am off tomorrow, so I'm planning on meeting a friend. I want to go for a walk and maybe a coffee, and we'll see what happens from there. All right, catch you later. Good evening and welcome to Cooking with Craig. Today on the menu we will be having my world famous cheesy balls, and we'll also be having a secret recipe. Boom! So secret they came out with a device to cook it in. We'll need one of these and one of these, and I will show you how to cook that later. I'm sure we're all familiar with the world famous cheesy balls. Place your balls on a plate, warm your balls up in the microwave. Try and keep your balls in formation for even cooking. While your balls are heating up, you can pull your cheese out of the packet. 1, 2, 3. Each slice comes in its own individual wrapper. Try and wait for your balls to cook before you start eating the cheese. Apply the cheese onto each set of 4 balls and cook for 1 minute. While you're waiting on your cheesy balls to cook, unwrap a Babybel. Like so. Voila! That dish is delish. With past experience, we all know that your balls are roasting hot, so give them a second to cool. While we're waiting, let's cook a Babybel. Takes 30 seconds, and wait. This is what you're left with. Ooh. Oh! Really good, but really hot. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Cheesy balls and melted cheese in a cup. My balls taste great. My mom watches these videos.